How to copy comments on Instagram. Instagram does not allow direct comment copying inside the app, but you can still do it using this step. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the comment you want to copy. So let's simply tap on the comment section available there and look for the comments. Now once you find the comment you want to copy, all you have to do is take a screenshot of the comment. So let me just take a screenshot of this first of all. And once you take the screenshot, simply tap on the screenshot again. Then crop it out other comments available there and only keep the comments you want to copy. So here I'm just keeping the comment I want to copy and save it to your photos. So now once done so, simply tap on the save or done option available there and save it to your photos. Now go back to the home screen and tap on the photos app available there. Now once inside the photos, all you have to do is long press on the comment you want to copy. Then you can see there is select option available, select all. You cannot select the emojis and tap on the copy option available there. Once copied, you can simply go anywhere to paste this. So here I'm simply navigating to the Notes app of my phone. So once inside the Notes, simply tap on it and tap on paste option available there and your comment will be pasted. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.